Tomato Face Cleanser. The first step of our tomato facial is to make the tomato face cleanser. For this, you will need a ripe tomato and fresh, raw milk. Grate one medium-sized tomato using a grater. Collect the pulp and then strain the juice from it with the help of a strainer. Mix 1 teaspoon of raw milk with same quantity of tomato juice. With a cotton ball, apply it all over the face and neck and leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. Wash off with water and pat dry. Use face scrub to do tomato facial to get fair skin. Next up is exfoliation. And we will use a tomato scrub for that. For this, we need a medium-sized tomato. Cut it into small pieces and put them in the blender. Pour it on to make a smooth tomato puree. In a clean bowl, add 2 teaspoons of sugar, few drops of honey and 1 teaspoon of tomato puree. Mix well and the tomato scrub is ready. Massage your face with this for 2 to 3 minutes. Sugar is an excellent scrub that unclogs our pores and take out all the impurities. Honey is an excellent moisturizer that softens our skin and boosts our complexion. Tomato is a natural bleach that brightens our skin tone. Once done, wash off with plain water and pat dry the face. Steam. After exfoliation, it's time to take steam. Scrubbing removes impurities from our pores and steaming takes out whatever our exfoliator fails to pick up. Steaming lets our skin breathe freely while detoxifying the same. Tomato Face Pack. The final step of our tomato facial to get fair skin is to apply a tomato face pack. Take the rest of the tomato puree that we prepared for our scrub. In a clean, dry bowl, take that tomato puree, add a few drops of lemon juice along with 1 teaspoon of sandalwood powder. Mix it well to make a smooth paste. Apply this pack all over the face and neck. Wait for 15 minutes and then clean off with cold water. You will see the difference in your complexion immediately. Skin will look fresher, fairer and radiant. Apply rose water as a toner and follow up with your favorite moisturizer. Sandalwood powder is one of the most effective home remedy to get fair skin. Lemon juice has also mild bleaching properties that even out skin tone. Fruits that have high content of vitamin C are best for skin whitening and brightening, and that's why lemon, tomato etc. are so effective to give us fairer and brighter skin. So that is how to do tomato facial to get fair skin. Repeat this once or twice a week for best results. Being consistent with it will help to reduce dark patches, marks, black heads, white heads, acne scars and results in clear, glowing and fair skin. Check out the link description below.